Need to customize fast and reliable dashboard protection? Call us 097542384142. Reasonable prices, free quote, fast service. Dashboards can have simple problems, but it can cause serious problems if ignored. Your car's interior is a reflection of your personality and style. Why settle for generic dashboard protection when you can customize it to your liking? Our professional technician can help. Call us at 097542384142. With our wide selection of colors, materials, and designs, you can find the perfect dashboard cover to complement your car's aesthetic. No job is too small or too big for our skilled technicians. We guarantee customer satisfaction. Whether you prefer sleek and understated or bold and vibrant, we have options to suit every taste and preference. We can repair or replace any problem part of your dashboards in all kinds of brands. Transform your car's interior with our customizable dashboard covers, tailored to fit your vehicle perfectly. Make a statement on the road while protecting your dashboard from sun damage and wear. Choose customization, choose quality, and choose us. Quality service. Reasonable prices. Get free quote. Visit our website or showroom today to explore our range of customizable dashboard covers and elevate your driving experience. Call now 097542384142.